Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. Our latest video is on the new Benchmade Bugout folding knife. The part number is 535TN-10. This is now available with a Rust Orange Grivory handle, orange anodized thumb studs, and barrel spacers. This popular lightweight knife features a CPM S30V steel blade with a Desert Verde Cerakote finish. This Benchmade knife weighs just 1.5 ounces. So the blade length is 3.25 inches, and the open length is almost 7.5, and almost 4.25 inches when closed. Please see the description below for pricing, other details, and a link to the listing. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to be alerted to new products like this, sales, how-to videos, and discount codes. Make sure to like this video because that really helps us out a lot, and share this with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. PremiumSelectSupplies.com.